Alright, it's working. Alright guys, sorry I haven't been uploading lately. I been busy with school and working, but I've been getting everything figured out. Got about a couple of more acres of corn left, as you guys can see, putting a big dent in it. Here's my corn picker that I've been picking cob corn with, and this is the master. Well, it's not master, but it's been enough to give us a headache. It's what we've been cutting corn with, and we've had problems and busting belts. Let's see. We've replaced this belt, and where else? Main drive belt. And we almost chopped it up again because it had slipped off one time. Yeah, we've had a lot of problems with this, but nevertheless, we still have to get through it. I'm going to try to cut some today. We've been getting a lot of rain this week. Ever since harvest has started, and it's just been hard. My corn was planted a little bit too late, and that's why I'm a little bit late on harvest. So, because down here in South Carolina we start planting kind of early, but that's another story. My planters messed up when I was planting the first time, so I had to replant about a month later. Right now I'm cleaning all this corn that we threw in here, keep it dry from the weather, because I got to run all this wet corn out of the combine before I start cutting some dry. I don't want it to rot or anything. All the rotten ears, I gotta throw them out. I don't want to risk anything. Get all the good ears out first. That's a little bit wet. I might just run this stuff through there first. Let's crank this baby up and see if I can get all this trash rolled out of there. I gotta put that pan back up under there. This is my very first year running a combine this old, so it's been a learning experience, I'll tell you that. Oh, it sure is different running these older combines, that's for sure. It ain't like a Case or a John Deere, I'll tell you that. Is there a wasp nest? No. Whoa. Whoa. Almost had a scare there. Alright, let's see if she'll crank up for us. Just make sure I got everything out. Oh, forgot the choke. Throttle. Well, guys, got all the trash out. Well, into the hopper. Now I got to get it out the hopper. Oh, got to make me a cover to go up over this thing. Haven't got around to that yet. Oh, it's been a learning process, that's for sure. These older, it's different, that's for sure. Let me unhook this battery charger. Been having problems with my generator not wanting to work right. I'm hoping I can cut at least finish filling up that trailer over there. I can at least finish filling that up, and that'd be good, and I could haul it to the mill and store it. Definitely not going to sell it with the corn prices. Here in South Carolina, it's about $3.39 a bushel last time I checked. Which, to most of you grain farmers, it's not a lot. At least for my small operation, I only have 26 acres of corn this year, and I might make enough to break even. But there's always next year. But for the most part, we've made pretty good in corn this year. I can't complain. Can't complain about our corn yields, that's for sure. But like I said earlier, I've been working and been going to school. Just started back at college, and been trying to balance those and just kind of mess with this on the weekends or when I come home from school early every once in a while. But like I said, there's a couple of my subscribers that understand what the struggle of having to balance school and still farm a little bit. Boy, there's a lot of trash in there, I'll tell you that. I had a problem earlier last week. My concave was a little bit too tight, and but at first we've even replaced these clutch plates that drive the whole threshing, that run the thresher and stuff. We've replaced this right here. Replaced this clutch plate right in here. $160, and it's I tell you, it's something else. You got to take this loose. That's the engaging mechanism. You got to take this loose, take this off, screw. There's a little, I don't know if you guys can see it, there's a screw piece in there. You got to screw off, screw that off. This stays, that slides off. Then you got to put the clutch plate on there. I don't know, it's just, these older machines are something else when they designed them. They didn't design them for easy operator maintenance. But I might get some footage later on recording this. Let's see if I can get it to the field first, and I might get some more.